Hello diamonds, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Mary and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video I'll be doing a huge affordable makeup haul. This haul I'm going to be showing you are mostly affordable and mostly drugstore products. If you know me, I'm all for affordability, accessibility and everything ability. And yeah, it took me about a month and a half to acquire all this product, and I must not lie to you guys, I've been itching to use this product, but I said I must do this video, I must stay through. Here we have it, affordable makeup haul. So most of the products in here are e.l.f, Makeup Revolution, Morphe, and I was able to benefit from the sale, so I took advantage of them. I'm a makeup junkie, I'm also a makeup artist, so most of these products would not be used just on me alone, I'll also be using them on my clients, so it's also like an investment into my business, if you know what I mean. What brand should I start with? Okay, let me start with Makeup Revolution and I'll work my way up to Muffy being the last. So I'll start with Makeup Revolution. So the first thing I'll be starting with is this I Heart Revolution Chocolate Banana Baking Powder. So this is supposed to be like a translucent powder. I've heard so much about this powder and I heard like it is similar to the Sacha Buttercup powder. I wanted something that will give me that yellow tone that I've been looking for, and yes, I decided to get this and see what it looked like. So this is it. Opening this up now. Oh, it even has a puff, which is fantastic. This is what it looks like. So it has the dispensing thingy, which is very good. I love the yellow tone it has. It's very rich. I don't know if you guys, that is picking off camera. Yeah, because I have the other Makeup Revolution banana setting powder, but it was too white for me. I found it was too white for me, and I ended up mixing it with my Ben 9 Topaz to give it more like a yellow tone kind of thing. So now that I have this, I'm very excited and I can't wait to use it. And I like the fact that it comes with a puff which says I Heart Revolution. I got the Makeup Revolution Glow Splendor bronzer. This is the most talked about bronzer right now on the gram, on YouTube. I just opened it now because I did a review video on this bronzer and first impression. So if you have not seen that video, I will be putting a link above. Click to watch. This is what the packaging looks like. It's quite big, very big, guys. Now the packaging is beautiful, I like it. And this is what the inside looks like. It has a mirror, and this is what the product looks like. As you can see, I've just used it for the comparison video I was telling you guys about, but other than that, it was still part of my haul. So this is what it looks like. And the next thing I'll be showing you guys is the Makeup Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Enrobe. So this is what Enrobe looks like. It also has the metallic, the rose gold thingy, and this is what it looks like within. It has a mirror as well. Look at that. Look at that payoff, look at that shade, guys. I love it. And this is how the packaging looks like. Still on the rose gold theme and packaging. I got this for £9 and I got this for £8. So the next product I'll be showing you guys also is from Makeup Revolution. That will be their cream glosses. I got 4 shades of the cream glosses in Makeup Revolution, and I got, as you can see, I'm a sucker for nudes, pinkish nudes, brownish nudes, and I just got most of the nude shades on the range. And the shades I got is Control in 104, Piece of Cake in 101. You know what, guys, let me swatch it for you guys. This is what Control looks like. That's what Control looks like. It's like this peachy nude kind of shade, which I think it will really be pretty with a liner and topped up with a gloss to be beautiful. And I got hair toner in 121. This hair toner is such a pretty color. I've used it once. I won't lie, I've used it once, and oh my god, everyone kept on asking me, what lipstick did you use? Yeah, so this is hair toner, Close to Control. It's like a nudish brown shade, Yeah, it's very pretty, guys. So another shade I got was Piece of Cake in 101. So this is what Piece of Cake looks like. Oh, this is also very pretty. It's kind of similar to the first one, Control. It's giving me a similar tone to it. It's just that I think Piece of Cake is a bit lighter. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. And the last shade I got was Misbehaving. We don't want to be misbehaving around here, guys. And this is in shade 102. So this is Misbehaving, and this is what it looks like swatched on the hand. Piece of Cake, Misbehaving, and Control actually is giving me similar shades. Is it just me? Yeah, they actually they look different in color on the packaging, but swatching them now for the first time is actually giving me similar shades, in my opinion. Maybe this is more pinky. I don't know if it's the light that is bouncing or making it look that way. The only one that is different is hair toner here. They are kind of giving me similar feel, similar vibes, you know. And another thing I got from Makeup Revolution is the Makeup Obsession London Plumbing Lip Gloss. So this is just a transparent lip gloss. You can wear this alone without nothing, or you can use it to top up whatever lip you have going on, a matte lip to make it glossy. Oh, it's actually very thick, guys. This is very thick. Yeah, it's actually very thick. So yeah, that's everything I got from Makeup Revolution. Glosses were £4 each, which was a very good bargain, and this was £4 I think. So let's move over to e.l.f. So from e.l.f. I got the most talked about matte putty primer. I just needed to get this primer. I wanted to see what the buzz was about because I have oily skin, and every review I see about this primer has all been good reviews, and I was just really motivated to get it. So this is the e.l.f. putty primer. I'll be using this, will be like my new primer now, and it says it's infused with kaolin clay and white charcoal matte putty primer. So it promises to mattify your skin. You just need to apply a thin layer and to a clean moisturized skin, obviously, and it will give you like a velvety texture that glides effortlessly all over your face. So we would see when I start to use this. Unfortunately, I can't swatch this because it's just a primer. Another thing I got from e.l.f. was their beautiful precision sponge trio. So this, I saw this as a bargain. I think it was going for like £5 or something like that. I can't really remember. I've heard a lot about e.l.f. sponges, that they really perform well. They're really good and soft. So this is what it looks like. It's 3-in-1. It says they've been crafted for precision. So this will be like the foundation sponge. This might be like the concealer for under your eyes, and this, I see myself using it a lot for my nose contour and maybe to get into places I can't really get to. So it's a good bargain for £5. I believe I got it for £5, and yeah, it's like I was waiting for a sale to happen. I was saving my coins for a sale to happen, and yeah, girl jumped on it real quick. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys is also from e.l.f. I got some e.l.f. brushes. So with e.l.f. I think I got more of their tools rather than their products. So apart from the primer I got from them, the others were just tools like the sponge, and I got some e.l.f. brushes as well. I've seen a lot of good reviews about this foundation brush from e.l.f. It's really dense. They said it applies your foundation very evenly and seamlessly. I'm looking forward to trying it out. This I think was £4, and it's actually very soft. I can't complain honestly. And the next one I got was like a stippling brush. So this you can use to apply your cream products. Maybe if you have like cream contour, cream bronzers, this will really be good, and I love it. And yeah, another thing I got 2 brushes, guys. So with all the products I got from e.l.f., I was entitled to 2 free gifts. Can you imagine? Who does this? After I didn't even spend up to, I don't think I spent up to £30 with e.l.f. I spent like £22 or £25, and I got 2 free brushes. So these 2 brushes I bought, and I was given the opportunity to choose 2 other products, and I knew I really needed brushes, and I got the eye crease brush. Let me open it up for you guys. Like, you don't understand the joy I had when I was buying these products. Like, for the fact I was getting them for a very good bargain was amazing. So this is the crease brush. Can you guys see that? The handle is very sleek, very cute, and this is what you can apply your eyeshadow with this brush, just right on the crease to give it depth. I like the packaging. And the next brush I got was the smudge brush. Sorry guys if you can hear a lot of background noise. It's my daughter getting very excited. Oh god, help me. So this is the smudge brush. I love the packaging. I love the fact that it's white. It's just very sleek, very cute, and this is what it looks like. So this brush would be very good for under your eyes if you're trying to smudge eyeshadow beneath your eyes. I can't complain guys. e.l.f. they really outdid themselves. I mean, I'm not mad at the quality of their product at all, and for the price, baby girl, you're getting a very good bargain, trust me on that. So if you've been skeptical, because I've been really skeptical about e.l.f. products, but I've been seeing a lot of reviews online, I'm like, okay, let me try them out, let's even see what this buzz is about. So here you have it, good quality products for a good price. The next and final products I'll be showing you guys are from Muffy. So Muffy was doing like some serious, when I mean serious, crazy sale on their website. I think the sale is still going on at the moment as we speak. So if you don't know, run there now and go and grab some items for half price. Like guys, there's some products I've always wanted to get from Muffy, but when I look at the price, I'm always discouraged. So it's like this sale was for me. It was personally made for me. So I got the Muffy Continuous Setting Spray. Guys, this setting spray originally is £16, but with the sale I got it for £8. Can you beat that? Oh god, I got this for £8 on the Muffy website. I couldn't not take it. Like, what are we talking about? I had to take this product. So this is the Continuous Setting Spray. Let me even use it. Like, this is the, oh gosh, I'm so oh, that's so cooling. Do you know how long I've always wanted to lay my hands on this product? It's been a long time coming, and I am excited I got it. Like, I am so excited. So this is what it looks like, and it comes, the bottle, just this black bottle, and it comes with like the nozzle. So it's not the one that you have to press, so it's the continuous one, which I think is really cool. I love it. I do love it. Even spraying it on my face, I can still feel that cooling, dewy finish on my face. Like, it's amazing. And the next product I got was the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I've always wanted to get this palette. For some reason, I've just been waiting for Muffy to do some kind of crazy sale that I would just buy everything I need to buy at once. So this is a very good palette. I love the packaging. 3503 says at the back, and the reason why I really wanted to get this product was because of all the tones it had. Like, guys, look at this. You can see the browns, you can see the warms, you can see the orange, you can see the light browns. Like, it just caters to people of color. And this glitter shade right here, I can't wait to play with it. I've been eyeing that glitter shade for a very long time. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Fierce by Nature 3503. I feel it comes with really pretty colors, and I think this palette retails for £26, but from the sale I got it for £19. Tell me, did I make a mistake? No. Actually, I should have swatched the shades for you guys. Let me swatch a few of the shades for you guys so you guys can see the color payoff. I know you guys know about this palette. Look, guys, can you see that? It's actually very rich as well in color. It's very smooth. It actually has names to it, guys. So this is Disrupt. This is Major Hottie. Guys, look at that. It's actually very rich. I don't know if my camera is picking it up really well. Let's swatch, I believe should be, it's a bit confusing with the labeling, but I'll try. Let's swatch Red Alert and Ball of Fire. So this is Ball of Fire. It's actually very, guys, look at that. Can you guys see that? Ball of Fire. Let's swatch this middle one, which is Make Believe. That's that glittery, the glittery one right here that I've been eyeing. So let's swatch. Oh, it's very glittery, very rich. Guys, look at this. Look at very rich, glittery, pigmented shadow. I can't wait to play. Like, guys, I can't wait to play. I can't wait. Let's swatch this green one. This green metallic. Oh, my hands are filled up. Okay, let's swatch this green metallic one as well. So this is Power Play, and this is what it looks like. All the shades here are pigmented, period. That's all I can say. Pigmented, period. So the next thing I got from Muffy was a brush. I really needed like a flat eyeshadow brush, so I got the Muffy M167. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush to pack eyeshadow all over your lid. And the last thing I got, and this is the last and final item on my haul, guys, Morphe James Charles palette. Oh, guys, do you know how long I've been dying? Oh god, I've been dying to get this palette, and I got the big one, not even the mini one, the big one. You know how long I've been dying to get this palette? But anytime the price is looking at me and I'm looking at the price, I beg, keep it moving, keep it moving. But again, the sale, I was able to benefit from this sale. This palette, guys, retails for £36, I believe. 36. Guys, look at how huge this palette is. £36. Guess how much I got it for? £20. Yes. It was ridiculous. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, I just had to. Are you kidding me? I had to buy it. This is what it look. Oh god, like this palette just brings joy to my soul. A whole book of colors. A whole book of colors. Like, me looking at this palette, everything is so vibrant, so pigmented. I'm not even kidding, guys. Let's swatch a few. God, guys, everything is in this palette. Everything you need in a palette. If there's only one palette you should choose in this whole world, take this palette. Honestly, I'm not kidding you. Take this palette. You have your metallics, you have your matte, you have your browns, you have your transition colors, you have your orange, you have everything, guys, and it looks very pigmented. Let me just swatch a few shades for you guys. This purple, eyeing badly. This one, I don't know if this thing is paying. Okay, can you guys see that? So I'm eyeing this shade badly, so I'll just pick that up. So this is what the purple looks like. The shade Artistry, another shade I really want to swatch. They're just all so beautiful. I love this hot pink. Sorry guys, I can't swatch everything for you guys because we'll just sleep here. I love the orange, I love the greens, I love the blues. Oh my god, they're all pretty colors. Let's swatch this orange shade here. Speaking to me, this one. So this is in the shade Rusted. So this is what Rusted looks like. There are even blush shades here. There are bronzing shades here, guys. I'm not even kidding. This is a beautiful palette, guys, and I'm so excited. Good bargain, good buy. Affordable makeup products. You can never go wrong. And I'm so itchy to start playing with them and start using them and making bombast looks. So yeah, guys, this brings me to the end of my video. Let me know if you like this sort of videos, and let me know if you want me to use any palette to create any looks. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me help my channel grow. I will really appreciate it. And if you've subscribed already, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I make a video. So yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and yes, stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye.